Hello friends, my name is Sankalp and today I am going to show you how I created my dashboard for Makeover Monday week 25. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel to get more of such interesting content. So without wasting much time, let's start with our video. So first I will show you how I created my layout in the Figma app. So this is my layout and you can see many pictures in it like the Amazon picture, the bulb sign, the dollar sign and the other pictures. I have downloaded them from the icon8.com. You can download it from there also and just import it in the Figma app. So here for warehouses it was a blank image, so I have created a white background and added to it. Now I will show you how to create this frame. So go here, click on frame, select desktop and enter your dimension. So I have selected 910 and 1600 and your background is created. To give black color to this background, just click on fill, color, type 00000, that's hex code for black color, and your black background is created. Now I will show you how to add a text to this frame. So click on T and create a rectangular box. Type whatever you want to in it, select it, change the font. You can select whatever bold, semi-bold as you want. Click on it and color it FF9900, which is the hex code for orange color in Amazon, and your text is created. So that's how I have created all the text that you are seeing in this frame. So now I will show you how to add the images in this frame. So for that, go to the rectangle, create a small rectangle. In its properties, go to fill, select image, go to choose image and select whatever image you want to choose, like Amazon for this example. For time being, we will remove this image from the frame. Now I will show you how to create this dotted arrow, which is showing the direction of flow. Select the arrow, drag and create an arrow. Go to stroke, give color FF9900, set thickness to the 5, select inside outside whatever you want, go to there and select round, here 2,15 and you can see dotted line is created. Click on the line, go to bend tool and bend it according to your needs. After that, click on done. To give arrow, again click on arrow and drag this arrow at the end of the dotted line. Now to edit this arrow, go to stroke, select FF9900, give stroke to 5, select whatever you want, outside, inside or center. Now increase the size, adjust this arrow according to your needs. Okay, now your arrow is created. So in this way I have created the layout. You can export this layout as a PNG format and add to your Tableau dashboard. For that, In Objects, select Image as Style and bring your layout in the dashboard. Now I'll show you how I created the sheet 1 of this visualization, that is the low profit ratio. In this sheet, I have created one calculated field whose name is profit ratio. We'll see what's inside it. It's sum of net income in US millions into 100 divided by sum of revenue in US millions. This gives the profit ratio of Amazon. I have dragged profit ratio twice in rows so that I can create dual axis against the quarter of the year. Now in first axis, I have selected line chart. To give color to this line chart, I have dragged profit ratio to the color and gave red color to the negative percentages and orange color to the positive percentages. In this way, I have colored the line chart. In second axis, I have selected field circles and created one calculated field called is positive to give orange or red color according to the positive or negative effect of profit ratio. So if profit ratio is greater than 0, it will return true, and for true I have given color orange. So all the positive points will be in orange color and all the negative points will be in the red color. Now we will see second sheet. For that, I have created one data set and blended it with our primary data set. The quarter is the blending parameter and the free cash flow is the parameter we are plotting in this dual axis line chart. Here I have converted the net income into the billion by dividing it by 1000. So in dual axis chart, I have dragged this income in billion and free cash flow against the quarter and created this graph. Don't forget to synchronize your axis. For adding text to the dashboard, I have just selected text from the objects and dragged it in the dashboard using floating option. Drag this option and write all the text that you want, and congratulations, your dashboard is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please hit the like if you like this video. Please comment if you have any doubts in this video. I'll definitely solve them, and please hit the subscribe button for more of such awesome content.